This Kaizen Realty LLC property video is presented by Arian Davis. Talk about upkeep. This home has been well taken care of over the years. The floor plan/layout is a must-see. The fully stocked lake is ready for your boat or for you to just sit on the dock and fish. There is also plenty of parking space with a driveway that leads from the street all the way to the rear of the home with more parking pad space if necessary. Showings begin Saturday, September 11, 2021. Seller is willing to sell most furniture with the exception of the living room set. For more information, review the details below or contact Arian Davis at 901-221-4041.